Welcome to Vet Fraternity. In this video, we are going to talk about chemosis. Chemosis is not a disease, just a condition, but it's worth talking about that you should know that what chemosis is and how it looks like because it appears along with many disease conditions. So, chemosis refers to swelling or edema of conjunctiva. Conjunctiva is basically a mucous membrane that covers the white part of the eye and lines inside of the eyelids. So, it's inflammation, oh, sorry, not inflammation, rather than it's swellings. Inflammation is something else that what we call conjunctivitis, and it is a swelling or it is the edema. Edema of the conjunctiva is called as chemosis, and it appears as gelatinous or balloon-like swelling of the outer eye surface. It is seen with trauma, environment, irritants, or overhydration that happens in the animal body. So you can see this image, the ballooning of the or the swelling of the conjunctiva. That was it about chemosis. Thank you.